Fisherman held with illegal gun during a police stop check. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. 34-year-old Ron Sean, a fisherman of Hafizullah Lane, St. Mary, was arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition following an operation in Port Maria Town Centre on Thursday, September the 2nd. Reports from the Port Maria police are that about 5:30 p.m., the driver of a taxi was signaled to stop and he complied. The driver and the passengers were subsequently searched, and this individual was found with a Smith and Wesson 9mm pistol and 5 live rounds. He was taken into custody and subsequently charged. He is scheduled to appear before the Port Maria Parish Court on Thursday, September the 9th. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.